share this my tasty Sobolo recipe with you without adding sugar. You are going to love this ankasa. So please subscribe for me, like this video, share and leave a comment. And so we are going to start by peeling our pineapple, because the peels are what we are going to use to boil the Sobolo. And then I'll chop my pineapples and then set them aside. Please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. So I just try to take the hard part from the pineapple because I love to chew them. Yes. Okay, so after peeling the pineapples, what you're going to do is we are going to boil the peels with the Sobolo leaves. Yes, so I'm going to add the Sobolo leaves to the pineapple, and you can see the water that I'm using is enough. Yes, so you need enough water because that is the only water we use throughout. Okay, and then I'm going to add negro pepper, that is wentia, and then dry pepper to it, and we are going to take this to fire. I added a bit more water, so I've boiled this very down. So you see where the level has gotten to. Yes, I'm going to strain it. Now, if you intend to add sugar to this, then it means you're going to add more water to extract more of the juice. But I don't intend to add sugar, so what you see is what it is. Yes, I'm not adding any additional water to this. And so if you boil it with the pineapple peels, boil it very well, it will extract all the taste. So I have ginger, negro pepper, mint, cloves and pineapple. I'm going to blend these. I'm using the same Sobolo to blend some of the pineapple, ginger, negro pepper and the mint. So I've blended everything. Yes, I'm going to blend the rest of the pineapple and also add it to it. So you see, I did not use any other water apart from the same Sobolo to blend it. So I am straining it because the idea is we are not going to add sugar to it. So what is going to make the Sobolo sweet is the pineapple. The moment you introduce additional water, it's going to change the taste and you'll be tempted to add sugar. Okay, so I'm trying to squeeze everything out. Yes, and so that is it for our Sobolo. I added a bit of mint to it. You will love it. Just try it if you have not yet done so, if you have not tried it before. And so this is it. I will strain it again with a fine cloth or cheesecloth or anything that can help you to extract all the fiber or all the chaff from meat. So that's what I am doing now. So this is special Sobolo without sugar, no sugar. This is healthy Sobolo, not just special but healthy as well. And so this is our Sobolo. Yes, very colorful, very beautiful and very tasty. You can really taste the pineapples in there and the mint, a touch of mint, you see. So I'm bottling it, then I'll just take it to the fridge for it to chill for me. And so this is our Sobolo special, healthy Sobolo. Thanks so much for watching. If you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, I beg you to consider subscribing. Like and share this video for me. Leave a comment. Okay. Make sure you try and then let me know the result for you. I really appreciate you all for being part of this channel, and those of you who share my videos. I say thank you and God bless all of you. And try this recipe, okay? Have a blessed day. Bye bye.